What's up, YouTube? I'm Steve, and this is my junkyard find lifted 1982 Camaro. She's sitting on 44-inch super swampers out back and 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud terrains in the front. The last couple of videos, I did a quick build of this thing. She's sitting on a Toyota Land Cruiser chassis. If you've been following the channel for a while, you'd see that we pulled this Camaro out of a junkyard near Greenwood, British Columbia. Drove it home over 2 hours, had a lot of fun with it, did lots of burnouts. The engine ended up going into that Firebird over there in another video. So I had the carcass sitting here, I didn't know what to do with it. I also had the carcass of this Land Cruiser that we rescued on the channel as well, even longer ago. So we slid the frame out from underneath that, slid her under here, welded her on. We're actually sitting on rubber supports and everything. But right now, as you can see, she's sitting on these wooden blocks because my 2-inch wheel spacers weren't quite cutting it, and I was getting into these body mounts here. So I kind of had two options: either move the axle further back, which would actually center it better in the wheel well. I mean, I may have to do that eventually, but I figured I'd just go the quick, easy route and order up a set of these 3-inch wheel spacers. See if we can get them out far enough to have a little fun. And hopefully that's what we will do. Right now, we're gonna fire this baby back up. It's a little cold, about -3 or 4 Celsius. I don't know what's that, like 37 degrees Fahrenheit or something. Not too chilly, but cold enough. So yeah, let's see if she'll fire back up. We'll get her in the shop, and we'll wrestle them big tires off and see if the spacers will do what we need it to do. Runs like a champ. Okay, well.
Wow, I tell you, Steve, this is nuts. Like, those tires, I've never seen a car with tires that big. It's crazy. It's wild. Yeah. So she's running, and it's got good brakes.
I think it's street legal. What do you think?
Sure. All the lights work?
Yeah.
No
Everything
way.
works.
All the lights work.
Yeah. We don't, I mean, we won't have
It's the nicer
wipers
side.
or a heater. Yeah, this is a good side of the car.
That's the good side.
Yeah.
Oh, good. The window's up.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's
So-
take her for a rip. Oh, yeah.
Oh, neighbors liked it.
Oh, shit.
It's a long ways up.
Okay. Driving a big old tractor. Oh, it's sputtering so bad.
First thing time this thing's ever been on the road, even as a Land Cruiser.
Oh, yeah? Ah, what you got? A few more bugs to get out. Oh, yeah. She's jumping and bumping.
A little squirrely.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, brake light, choke light, look at that. Hey, mud.
Uh-oh.
I don't know, but that's for the
other car.
Camaro or the
Yeah.
Firebird or whatever, right? Downshift.
Brakes work.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe we can go to low range down here.
Oh. Oh, yeah. The side hole.
Or see now it's more of a tank.
Yeah. Walking side hill.
It really doesn't steer very well.
No. Let's see that.
I kind of wonder what it would do if I engaged the front hubs in four-wheel drive. I kind of want to try it. Why don't you hop out? All right, hopefully nothing goes bad.
Yeah, don't hit me. So you got four-wheel drive.
Like the front tires are skinny.
A little bit. More sliding. Well, she's spinning. Now what do you do? Ah!
definitely was working.
Sure was.
Backwards donuts were fun. I got to disconnect the battery because my alternator is just hooked up straight. There we go. Yeah, she's drawing about 2.5 amps if I don't.
It's just weird to see this type of motor.
Yeah. So I guess we'll end this little video here. It's a little shorter one. Just wanted to get you guys some action shots of this thing working. Off camera, I mounted the alternator off the old Firebird V6 and kind of tidied up the wiring. We got her charging.
Starving it with fuel, eh?
Starving it.
It's really kinked.
It's not that bad. So, yeah, she's a little sputtery going down the road. I don't know if I got to double check my points again, figure out what's going on. But,
there's the issue.
Yeah, right. I got to delete on that AC stuff. I don't think we're ever going to put AC in this.
No.
But the tires aren't banging and rubbing anymore. I actually, this morning, I unbolted all the U-bolts and shifted it back about 1 inch.
Really?
It was, now it's more centered.
Yeah.
I did a little more trimming in there and stuff. So yeah, next time you guys see this car, I'll probably go ahead and shorten this up so this bumper's sitting more like here. I kind of want to keep that heavy duty bumper with the tow hitch and stuff. Just shorten it.
Yeah.
And yeah, seems like my U-bolts and everything held up.
This pipe's really nice and close.
Yeah. I got to do something else with that for sure. So,
you know what would look cool in this thing?
What's that?
Some smoothie pipes.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like something sticking down here.
Yeah. Well, it kind of necks down too. It's got this great big pipe coming off the motor. Yeah. So, anyway, hope you all enjoyed that video.
That was cool. That was fun.
I've been having fun messing around with this thing over Christmas break. It's actually Christmas Eve here today.
Yeah.
So we tore up the lawn real good.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what we're going to get up to next, guys. You never can tell. So make sure you come on back, you know, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Leave us a comment what you think of this thing, what else we could do to it or do differently. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.